Hey, what's up? I'm Johnny. Have you ever heard of gamification and gamifying your business? I discovered it about 5 or 6 years ago, and I loved the idea. I wanted to do it. I was totally sold on it. I'm like, this could solve a lot of things for me. So I got digging on what things are out there that I could use as tools to gamify my company. And to my surprise, nothing was really working out. And there was lots of information about it, lots of experts saying, "Hey, you should do this thing," and they're telling you all the benefits of it. And I'm like, "Okay, please give me something. How can I do this?" And so I started tinkering around, and I just ended up having to build my own system to gamify my company. And I have a window cleaning company. So things kept going, and I kept gamifying solutions and using my own builds to make it my dreams come true, basically. So what happened was this system evolved, and that now I'm super happy and proud to say that we've come up with a system that can integrate into people's companies and instantly gamify your company based on KPIs. So this is called Game My Biz, and this is the awesome stuff we're working with now. What we can do is offer solutions to gamify your company as well. So check out our product and tell us what you think and see if we can help you out somehow.